5 Best Power Banks 2026. I've tested more than 100. Discover the best travel-friendly power banks to keep your devices charged on the go. From smartphones to laptops, our expert tested over 100 models to bring you the ultimate picks for 2026. The most radical act in an age of outrage is to play. We are not divided by accident. We are distracted on purpose. The antidote to that manipulation is to reconnect with what makes us human. Often through something as simple as play. Spend 5 minutes scrolling, and you can feel the machinery of social media outrage at work. The pulse of outrage. The invitation to pick. This story continues at the next web. iGarden M1 Pro Max 100 Review. A sports car for your pool. Discover the iGarden M1 Pro Max 100. A sleek pool cleaning robot blending sporty aesthetics with extended runtime. While it excels in design and efficiency, minor quirks remain. Perfect for tech-savvy pool owners seeking both style and performance. Razer Boomslang 20th Anniversary Mouse Review. For collectors. Despite a price tag that's a literal joke, this is still a cool collector's item for gaming nerds. How to tackle your bucket list before it's too late. According to the Oscar-nominated director of the film, Retirement Plan. I'm on top of the hill with a view in both directions, reports John Kelly, whose animated short ponders life in retirement and the meaning of time. Our favorite upgraded gaming headset is $20 off. Discover the Razer Black Shark V3 Pro gaming headset. Now $20 off This premium model delivers exceptional noise cancelling and immersive spatial audio. Perfect for gamers seeking an elevated experience. Upgrade your setup today. Lenovo's latest wacky concepts include a laptop with a built-in portable monitor. Lenovo stunned crowds at MWC 2026 with futuristic tech, including a Yoga Book featuring dual 3D screens and a foldable Legion Go Fold. A gaming handheld that transforms into a mini laptop. Innovation meets portability in these bold new concepts. Lenovo's latest gaming tablet goes big on battery. Lenovo unveils its newest gaming tablet, Legion Go, boasting a massive 10,000 mAh battery for extended gaming sessions. Packed with high-performance specs, it targets mobile gamers seeking power and endurance. A must-watch for tech enthusiasts. The Lenovo Legion Go Fold gaming handheld concept looks awkward, but its versatility is endless. Lenovo's Legion Go Fold gaming handheld concept defies conventional design with its foldable form, yet promises unmatched versatility. From gaming to productivity, this device could redefine portable tech. Though its awkward look sparks debate. A bold leap into the future of handhelds. Alaska could be the next state to crack down on AI-generated CSAM and restrict kids' social media use. Alaska is poised to become the latest state to enforce stricter regulations on AI-generated child sexual abuse material, CSAM, and limit minors' access to social media platforms. The move aims to enhance online safety for children amid growing concerns over digital threats. The best laptop cooling pad and why you should buy one. Not all laptop cooling pads are equal. Discover how the right one can extend your gaming laptop's lifespan and keep performance peak. Expert picks and key benefits revealed. Everyone speaks Incel now. From niche forums to mainstream social media. Incel slang like looks maxing and mobbed has exploded into everyday discourse. sparking debate over online culture's evolving toxicity. Magnesium vs. melatonin. Which is better for sleep? GQ. GQ explores the debate between magnesium and melatonin as sleep aids. Sleep doctors provide insights into the effectiveness of each supplement for improving sleep quality. The article helps readers understand the pros and cons to make an informed decision. I'm 58 and tried walking 7,000 steps every day for 2 weeks. Here's what happened to my body, AOL.com. A 58-year-old individual documented the effects of walking 7,000 steps daily for 2 weeks. The experiment tracked changes in their body and mind, providing insights into the potential benefits of this daily exercise routine. The article shares the personal experience and observed outcomes. Is the ADHD brain briefly falling asleep during tasks? Technology networks. Research suggests adults with ADHD experience more local sleep. Sleep-like brain activity while awake. During attention-demanding tasks, EEG recordings revealed these slow brain waves precede errors and lapses in focus, hinting at brief moments where the brain may be partially asleep. What are your questions about treatment of high cholesterol in younger people? CNN. New guidelines suggest treating high cholesterol should start earlier, even in one's 30s. The American College of Cardiology and the American Heart Association are among the medical groups recommending earlier intervention. Treating high cholesterol in younger patients can improve cardiovascular outcomes later in life. Insulin resistance prediction from wearables and routine blood biomarkers. Nature. A machine learning model uses wearable device data, blood biomarkers, and demographics to predict insulin resistance. This allows for earlier lifestyle interventions, potentially preventing type 2 diabetes. The model integrates diverse data sources for improved prediction accuracy, facilitating proactive healthcare management and personalized preventative strategies. NVIDIA's version of OpenClaw could solve its biggest problem: security. NVIDIA announced an open enterprise AI agent platform called NemoClaw that is built off of viral OpenClaw. Ghost in the machine. Brain predicts images before we see them. Neuroscience News. Neuroscience News reports researchers used after images to demonstrate the brain anticipates eye movements with 94% accuracy. This study reveals the brain uses an internal efference copy mechanism. This process helps to maintain stable vision despite constant eye movements, effectively predicting what we are about to see. Scientists find a surprising link between not having children and longer life expectancy. Earth.com. A large study of 117 mammal species indicates a correlation between limited reproduction and increased life expectancy. The study found that mammals that reproduce less often lived up to 10% longer. This suggests that reproduction has an effect on the aging process in mammals.